Hello again, dear students. This is another video to revise for your tomorrow's exam. Just wanted to notify you about some slight mistake I did with the factors lesson. Just to get back to that lesson, the mistake is basically the idea of that when we talk about factors, we don't have something called LCM. We have something called HCF, the highest common factor. Highest common factor, it means that not the smallest factor, as I said that it's 2, actually it's the biggest multiple, the biggest factor. And the biggest factor that we found common between both of them, the HCF, the highest common factor, it was 36. So I just wanted to mention this before we jump into the topic of multiples. Now when it comes to multiples, uh, multiples basically they are different from the factors. Just to explain the meaning of multiples, if I said earlier when we said that factors they are the numbers, if I said 2 times 3 is equal 6, right? 6 is considered a multiple for 3 and for 2. If I said 2 times 2, this is 4. 4 is a multiple of 2 and 2. So if I multiply it, I continue multiplying 2 by 1, 2, and even if I multiply 2 by 4, what I'm trying to tell you that 2, 8, 4, 6, all of them, they are multiples of 2. So the multiples is a result of multiplying a number by another. So when I try to do the same thing here, so we'll try to read this exercise. When it comes to multiples, multiples are infinite. It's not like factors. Factors, you can write limited factor. Any number can have 2 factors, 3 factors, 4 factors, but multiples are infinite. So we'll try to answer this question. It says find the multiples, the first 10 multiples of 6 and 14. So how I do that? So I'll say that what is the first multiple of 6? The first multiple of 6 is the result of multiplying 6 by 1. So that's 6. And so on. So the second multiple of 6, it will be 12. So this is the idea. So the third multiple of 6, it will be 6 by 3, which is 18. The fourth multiple, it will be 6 by 4, which is 24. The fifth multiple of 6 is 30. The sixth multiple, it will be 36. The seventh is 42. The eighth multiple, it will be, uh, 48. The next multiple, it will be, this is the third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and the ninth one, it will be 54. And the 10th multiple, it will be 60. So this is the idea of multiples. It's the result of multiplying a number by other numbers. So 6 has multiple of 6. That's the first multiple, the second multiple, the third multiple, and this is a list of all of them. Same thing we will do with 14. 14 is a big number. It's not like in the regular timetable. So you have to do this carefully. So you try to find out the multiples of 14. The first one is 14 times 1. 14 times 2, it will be 28. 14 times 3, it will be 42. The next one multiple, it will be 56. After that, it will be 70. After 70, it will be 84. After 84, it will be 98. After 98, it will be 112. I don't want you to continue doing this. Why is that? Because the maximum multiple we found here is 60. So after 112, you still have two multiples, 126 and then 140. This is the first 10 multiples of each one of them. The next question is to find the common multiple. What is the meaning of the common multiple? It's similar to the idea of common factors. So I need to check what is the common multiple between both of them when I see the numbers. So 6 is not there, 12 is not there, 18 is not there, 24 is not there, 30 is not there, and 36 is not there. 42, there is a 42 here and there is a 42 here. So after that, 48 is not there, 54 is not there, 6 is not there. So what is the common multiple? There's only one common multiple for these two numbers, which is 42. And the same thing, since we don't have other common multiple, it means that the LCM, which is the thing that we corrected. LCM, what is the lowest number that is common between them? Is 42 itself. So this is how the meaning of common multiple. This is the meaning of LCM, or lowest common multiple, and this is how you find multiples. Sometimes you have a worded problem now. Let's talk about worded problems when it comes to using LCM. So pay attention to this. It says that Ali brings for his breakfast at school a banana every 5 days. Sarah doing the same thing, but she brings her banana every 8 days. Now I need to know, in a period of 2 months, 60 days, how many times they bring a banana at the same day. You got the idea? So Ali brings the banana every 5 days. It means that he will bring it after 5 days. He will bring the banana after 10 days. So it's an idea of multiples. You got the idea? So you try to find the multiples of 5 up to what? Up to 60. Because you can. This is the number of days. Every 5 days is every 10 days. So 2 months they represent 30, 30. So it's 60. So you continue doing this until up to 60, not beyond that. So this is 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Now for Sarah, it's a total routine. She do that every 8 days. So bring the banana every 8 days, and then she will bring it at day 16. After that at day 24. After that at day 32. After that at day 40. After that 8 times 6, it will be at day 48. After that it will be at day 56. After that it will be at, you can't exceed the 60, remember 60, because maximum days are 60, which is 2 months. So it will be 5 times 8, 7, and then you have the 64. So 64 is exceeding the limit, so that's not a concern. So you don't want to do that. So what is the meaning of this? It means that we need to find out right now, yani, where are they bringing the banana at the same day? So 5 doesn't exist in both of them, 10 doesn't exist, 15 doesn't exist, 20 doesn't exist, 25 doesn't exist, 30 doesn't exist, 35 doesn't exist. But as you can see, 40, at day 40, both of them, they bring the banana as a breakfast at the same day. So the answer is this: how many times they bring their banana the same day? You will say that they have a banana one time in the period of 2 months. That's it. So that's how to answer the word problem, how to do the calculation. I hope it's clear, and see you in the next 1 or 2 videos, which are the things that left to practice for this exam. Take care, guys.